All right. All right. Welcome to the live stream. Markets have been dumping. I'm just going to jump right into it so you guys can see. But man, oh man, oh man. Tariffs. We had tariffs and we had some wild action, right? You have to remember this happened overnight. This happened on the overnight session, meaning I don't think a lot of people really should have been in it. If you got in it, lucky for you, right? But man, this could have gone wrong real quick. Real quick. So this happened at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. everything started to rally up, right? Everything started to rally up. You can see, let me clean this up. You can see the some of the bigger names, right? We started to rally up. We were just holding this, rallied up, ultimately just started dumping. Right? Started dumping and the market is now, I mean, it's in a dangerous zone. What is this? 5%? 6%? Shoot. All right, so 6% on this market, and I mean that's a lot. So also be careful. They will halt this. Let me get those numbers because I think it's really important that we get those numbers to know when things are going to be halted, etc., etc. Let's see. Okay. 7% limit overnight hours. So 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. 7% limit down only, 13% limit down only, and then 20%. So for NQ, 7% down is at 18,387. 18,380. Holy crap. Okay. 18,387. 7%. 13% is 17,212. Holy crap. No way, dude. There's no way. 13, I don't think we'll see 20%. Once we get 20%, it'll get halted for the rest of the day. 20% on Nasdaq sits at 15,841. 15,840. Let me mark these because this is going to be important. 15,841. Uh, 15,841.50 right there. So this is 20% halt. Then we go to 17 to 1225. 17 to 1225. And if you guys have different numbers, let me know, right? This is a 13%. And then we've got our 7%, which is 18,387.25. 18,387.25. Here we go. 725 right there. And that's our 7%. Which is also, I'm gonna measure this for a second, but I think that's our 7%. I think this is our target, if I'm not mistaken, right? So I know the target is from here. I know the manipulation happened from here to here, right? If this is manipulation, 2% is just above that. We're about to hit that 2%, right? Or sorry, that -2 standard deviations, which is a target that I am actually watching. I held the position overnight. I'm going to be super honest with you. Held the position overnight once I saw us tap back into this gap above it, right? Once I saw this, I got in here, right? Stop loss right above somewhere, I think these candles, whatever. But I am targeting -2 standard deviations from this move. Now, can we get a pullback? Absolutely. I don't think there's a lot of stuff to play in this market this morning. Right? I don't think if you're going to play anything, it's going to be to the downside. Period. Don't be looking for some longs at this point. There's absolutely no reason for you to be longing this, right? So if you want to look for longs, be my guest, but you're going to get ramsacked for sure. So just be careful. Be careful playing longs this morning. Let's take a look at ES for a minute. ES, sort of the same thing, right? Like, let me extend all of this. All of this needs to be extended. Right there. Right there. I'm just going to extend things that are important right now. Oh, shoot. This is something that we need to keep our eye on, right? Right here. All of this. All of this we need to keep our eye on right now. Right? Look at this move. Look at where we land, right? Look at where we land right here. So from this high, right, the manipulation high to the low, look at where it takes us. This is no coincidence. This is honestly one of these moments where you're like, I see price, I see where it's going. I have a bias, obviously, right? And now we can basically calculate, okay, once we get in here, what am I expecting? Chop. That's all I'm expecting. Or we run this to the downside, period, right? Like, but I'm not gonna like, that's just the truth of today. Today is just gonna be a wild day. There's gonna be wild swings, and you just have to be ready for it. Just be careful, be prepared. And I'm actually prepared. It's 9 o'clock is coming up. Holy crap! All right, that's crazy. What's that? What is this? This is 750. We'll do 750. 18750. Yeah, I like that. Where did I get? Also, if you let's just go through this manipulation move here, right? Because we have SMT up here. This is another reason why I got in. SMT here, SMT here, inside a place where we expect for price to react, right? Manipulation from this high to this low. Where does it take us? Inside of the negative two, -2.5. So I feel really comfortable with this, and honestly, this would be the more precise target right here. If you really want to get us like squeeze the juice out of this one, it'll be right there at 18.7, 18.50. 18.7, holy crap. 18.7, 18.50. And then this one is oh man, I can just do price, show price labels. There we go. Oh, okay. 18.74925. 18.74925. 74925. There's your targets. That's it. That's the targets I'm looking at for today. I'm not looking for anything else. Dow has just moved underneath that, right? 41 for the Dow would be kind of the next level for me. All right, if we're looking at the Dow, 41, where is it? Oh, my face is on the way. Yeah, literally not far, right here, right? 41 is the next level for me. And then 40,000, 4390. That would be, shoot, man. This market's gonna dump today. This market is going to dump today. Holy crap. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure you join the Discord. Link in the description below. Honestly, it's free and it's there. So there's a bunch of awesome traders in there. And if you're not in it, do it. Do it. All right, Dow is pushing. Dow is pushing lower. Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy. Oh Lord. Well, honestly, we just sit here and watch. That's. I'm not gonna get it. Like, I have my position. I'm not gonna touch this after this. And this was an overnight position that I was hoping that it would get hit overnight, but clearly we've been holding this area. Now, what's important about this area here, right? I think it's important for us to know and understand that too. Is we have look at where. Okay, let's go to the weekly. This is an easier, better sort of way to view price, right? On the weekly, it's just cleaner, nothing crazy. So what do we have? Right here, this is the bottom. This is the bottom of that weekly in BPR right here, right? We also created that daily gap, right? Which was an important gap because it was the president when he was talking, that was the gap. What else do we have? We have this right here, a weekly inversion from here to here. I'm not gonna mark the high of that, but we have another BPR. So this is a weekly inversion slash BPR all at once, right? So you can see how we opened and held below that, right? And all, let's see, 4 hours, right? And now we're just trading underneath. I mean, there's really nothing right now. There's nothing that I would take. There's no, I don't know. This is crazy. We held this, right? All of this. We're holding, I think we're holding these lows, right? Or maybe we just, yeah. So we're holding the lows. So the lows are literally holding just price right now. All right, they held price. And I felt good about it. I was like, man, I'm gonna get in on this one. I'm not, if it wants to go, it'll go. If it doesn't, whatever. Guys, and today I'm only here till 9:20 because I'm gonna be leaving, and 9:20 is sort of it. So actually probably 9:15, 9 or 9:10 or something. I'm not gonna stay here long. I'm not gonna stay here long. I don't think I'm gonna trade much today. At least not the morning. I'll see what it does. I'll see what it wants to do, and then from there, figure out a game plan basically. But I'm not gonna be chasing this price. I'm not gonna be looking for um yeah, I'm not gonna be looking for this. So stay safe out there for sure. Don't be chasing waterfalls. There is also so let's look at Tesla for all you Tesla lovers. Oh, TSLA. What the heck? Oh, yeah. Tesla. Look at this right here. Boom. Right here. Oh, previous week low. Okay, that one's already marked. We have this sort of right here, this 260 level, right? This 260 is an important one. And we've haven't broken below it yet. We held, gapped up, pushed up. This was from yesterday. We That's where we stopped, 260. So can we see that 260 break today, or is this going to be a push to the upside? I don't know. Tesla just looks a little weak, right? So we did push below, and you can see now this right here, 273.50 has been previous week, 50% has been sort of the reaction point right now. So yeah, let's see I don't know what to expect with Tesla. I want to see some more downside. Will we see it? I don't know. We need to break this sort of move to the upside right now. Man, oh man. I would like to see us tap into some of these areas, right? So there's my targets. That would be it. Those are my targets. This is previous high, right? Right here. Previous high. Yearly lows are right here. This is also like, this is just new year lows at this point. We've been putting in some new lows on the year. Um Previous day low right here was sort of holding price again. Previous month, like, yeah, this is all bearish to me. If you're gonna long this, man, I don't know. Not right now. You'll get a bounce, but it won't. I don't think it'll be the real bounce at all. We've got so much downside to go. And when I say so much, we've already did what we're supposed to up here. All right, all of this was look at this beautiful, like, basically just hold this main level right here that we held above, broke below, right? Held below, broke above, finally broke below, tested it down to the downside. To where? I don't know. This looks good. That previous year low right here. That looks like a good target. Oh my Lanta. Okay, this aligns perfectly. Shoot. Gotta let the group know. Hold on. Dang, dude, let's go. Futures market. Let's see. Dude, this is okay. I can't find it. Um, Announcements. Okay. U.S. S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow are subjected to circuit breakers, automatically trading halts designed to prevent panic selling. Yep, 5% drop pre-market equals limit down. Trading pause and lower bids are accepted until the regular session opens. Okay. So we're out of pre-market, basically. Yep, yes. 7% drop during market hours, 15-minute halt, which would be right here. Is it pre-market from where? Because if it's from here, because right here this is 6.5%, 6.12%. Oh, so 7% is right there. Okay. So maybe I'm gonna mark this 18,64225. Okay. And then 13%. All right, so 13% is right here. 440. 440 right there, and then 20%. I mean, I don't think we'll see it, but let's just mark it. 20% is right there, and that is 1636. Shoot. Okay. Yeah, price labels. Price label. And price label. There's your halts right there. Let's make these what, red? Yeah, we'll make these red. There we go. All right, I'm gonna share this over here. All right, yeah, not much of anything. 9:15. $9.15. I mean, not much. We're just here. It's here. I mean, I haven't taken this low yet. I don't know. YM took this low. RTY is not, so we have some sort of SMT, right? But it's not, it's 9:16. Yeah, I mean this could push. When? I don't think this will have enough gas for it to push though. Maybe at 9:30, but not right now. All right, y'all. Well, that's it. That's it for me. Stay safe. Stay safe in the market today. It's gonna be a wild day, so stay safe in the markets. Yeah, protect your capital, and there's always tomorrow, right? So happy Thursday. Enjoy your day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.